So here's something you might not have thought about. When you're on point, when you're on your A game, when you have all your chakras aligned, all your priorities straight, when you have you correct, when you have your mind right, there may be less amount of people that are going to be the people that you're going to want to be around, but it will be so much more easier for those people to come gravitate to your life. There'll be less of those people that are meant to be in your life, but it'll be so much more easier to get them in your life. And so there may not be so much abundance of them, but you'll have to deal with less BS and things just come natural. So that's why I say, when you go in the social scene in life, when you go out meeting people, don't force any relationship. If things aren't vibing right, like, keep it neutral. You don't got to hate on anyone. Never hate. Protect yourself from hate at all times. Protect yourself from hate at all times. Okay? If you don't vibe with people, don't even say, even if they're bad, whatever. Just don't let that negativity harness in your life, because I swear to you, it's cancer. So let people be negative. Allow them to. Let's not trying to control narratives of people. All right? People have the right to evaluate for themselves. And it's great that we live in a country where we have these rights, where we can evaluate and formalize our own opinions. That's very important. That's very important. So, let people talk out of their ass. Let people talk out of their ass. And you just stay on your grind. And you stay positive. There'll be less there of people for you, but those people are more loyal than all those other fucks that don't even care or support you as a person or your business. So don't worry about them. Only be concerned about those that matter. People that don't matter, like your haters. They're your haters. You shouldn't care what they think. They're your haters. They have a place. You can't argue with them. You can't try to convince a hater to not be a hater. They just want to be a hater. Let them be a hater. That's fine. You need to have haters. You need to have people that don't like you. That is completely fine, because believe it or not, it's those idiot, moronic haters that actually get the positive people to like you more, because they realize, you know what? The people that are talking bad about you are actually nut jobs, and that makes you more credible to them. And that's why over the years, people have left me fake 1-star reviews. People have lied. People have accused me of this or that. I'm still waiting for the FBI to break down that door right there. I've been waiting. I mean, when? Like, I'm just sitting there waiting. Where they plan it out, like, next year, next month. Can you give me a hint? I haven't called the FBI. Like, they're like, dude, stop calling. Like, you're good. Okay. So it's just weird. People make the most interesting accusations, and let them. Because those haters believe that we live in a world where when you say something, it's automatically true, and the things that they say in their mind, they think it's the truth, and they think everyone needs to believe what they think and what they make up in their minds. Whereas people that are honest, they're like, you know what? This is my opinion I hold to me. I can't speak on anyone else. People that have their own opinions can speak upon their own experiences, but I can't say anything about anyone else. This is my experience. And then people reflect and understand that, and they tell you their genuine experience. And that's all that matters to them. And it adds up like one candle lighting the next. But there are people that want to put out those candles and leave you in darkness, because their whole life is in darkness. And they want to cast shade on people's name and darkness on people, because that's their job. Find out quickly who's casting shade and who's casting light. And it's the light that always outwits and makes the darkness disappear.